What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm here. I actually just logged into my email account, and you can actually see here from this email I generated $1,318.60. Here it is at 8:15 a.m. in the morning. It's not even noon, and I've had a 4-figure day. Now, I know I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, and the great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't really have to be making videos and doing all these things that most of the gurus tell you to do if you have your affiliate marketing business set up in a way and structured in a way in which you can capture quality leads and then take those quality leads and kind of disperse them into a hub or a funnel that can spit out multiple streams of affiliate commissions. So in this video today, we're going to be talking a little bit about that and how you can actually get started too. You don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so if you get any value from this video, make sure you go ahead and tap that like button for me just to let me know that you're enjoying this content and this content is helping you out. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and let's talk about how you can actually start generating a 4-figure day, over $1,000 in a day with your affiliate marketing business. Now, all of this stuff starts out with getting quality traffic. Now, I've talked about traffic on this channel before, and you guys know that lately I've been utilizing solo ads. I'll actually link some of those videos down in the description. But the point that I want to make now about traffic is you need to be getting quality traffic, and you need to be getting this traffic consistently. So you can't just stop and say, okay, I'm going to run one campaign, or I'm going to buy one solo ad, and then I'm just going to wait and I think I'm going to make thousands of dollars every single day. It just doesn't work that way. So whatever you're doing to get traffic to your website, you need to be getting this traffic consistently and continually throughout the weeks and months of you running your business, right? And so even if you're doing a free traffic strategy like blogging or YouTube marketing, or maybe you're doing TikTok or Instagram, Pinterest, all of these avenues you can actually get traffic to, but you have to be active. You have to be posting the videos, you have to be posting the blog posts to get traffic if you're doing some SEO, or you can be doing a combination of the two, the both paid and free, which is my personal favorite. I think that you always should be doing something paid and free, getting some organic traffic, branding yourself on a platform like a YouTube, and then also be paying for traffic to get more kind of faster traffic to your actual website. Now, once you have your traffic methods intact, the second thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a good conversion system set up, i.e. a squeeze page and a funnel. So with that squeeze page, you just want to make sure that you're going to get a high converting percentage of people that hit that squeeze page to actually opt in. So you want to keep it kind of simple. You want it to make it kind of enticing, keep them guessing on that squeeze page. Let them know that there's something on the other side of that squeeze page that they really need to access for free, and then you give them some valuable content in a video format or PDF. Video is my personal favorite because I think people consume information better through video and they get more value from video. The next thing you need to do, the third thing, guys, is you have to be providing products and services that are going to bring value to those leads, that are going to get them to whatever they desire. So if they have a desired result, you have to be providing the quality services that are going to provide them the things that are going to help them get to where they're trying to go. So whether it's a course on social media marketing or SEO or Facebook or affiliate marketing, or it's a business opportunity, whatever the service is, or maybe it's a service, whatever it is, it needs to be providing some value and it needs to get them to their desired result. Not only that, guys, is you need to have your business or your hub structured in a way that it can actually spit out multiple streams of income. So the $1,300 that I received today is just one affiliate product, right? So it's just one product out of many that I'm selling, but I'm selling it under the umbrella of my affiliate marketing business or hub. So it's all very cohesive and concise with what my actual leads are seeing. So I might be selling multiple different products, but I'm offering different things that are going to make sense to those people that are accessing it. So how do we actually get this done? So there's a couple different ways you can set up or structure your affiliate marketing business. Obviously, you know you're going to be getting some traffic, paid and free. You want to get quality traffic. You know you're going to need a squeeze page that's going to convert those leads into opt-ins. And then what you want to do is you want to have some sort of business structure that's going to give them the ability to get multiple different products and multiple different services. So you could be leading them into an affiliate marketing product or an opportunity that gives you multiple streams of income. You could be leading them into your blog, and maybe you have some training on your blog that leads them into multiple streams of income. You could be leading them into a service that could lead to multiple affiliate payments, like monthly affiliate payments, being that these affiliate payments will just keep coming as long as they purchase that service, that tool, that product. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can do this. And you can also do this through your email marketing follow-up, right? So you could be providing products and services through your email marketing follow-up. If you do it the right way and it's structured in the right way, you could be selling multiple products through your email follow-up, and it doesn't feel sleazy and it feels like you're just throwing a whole bunch of random garbage products at these people. You're doing it in a succinct, concise way, and they feel good about purchasing the products and the services that you're offering. Now, I know I just said a lot of information right there, and if you are stuck and you just want to just get started and learn how to set up an affiliate marketing business the right way, I actually have a link in the description in which you can actually get access to some training that's going to help you get all of these things set up. There's going to be opportunities for you guys to get access to funnels, to blogs, to training, and you can access all this stuff absolutely free. So in the link in the description, I'll have that, and you can access this training. If I could be of any help, definitely let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button on this video if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. I will be posting a lot more frequently. I know I took about 2 weeks off. I was out of town. I got busy with some personal things, but I will be coming back and giving you guys a lot more content in regards to affiliate marketing, email marketing, and I'm planning to add in some more kind of side hustle entrepreneurial things that you can kind of do to make some quick bucks online. So I hope that works for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.